Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Whether you're home cook just starting out or someone who loves experiencing in the kitchen, chicken is one of the most versatile and beloved ingredients around the world. Today, we'll explore how to create delicious chicken dish that balance flavor, texture, and ease of preparation. We'll cover key tips for selecting quality chicken, handling it safely, and using basic techniques to bring out its best taste. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or hosting guests, mastering chicken preparation is a skill that will serve you well in any kitchen.
Mga ligi ba tabi ang ano men akuta na no men to kai rom ben te peto to ni te fa fo fo ga to ten no go neko te maninga nuringa i ti na me kai